one of the oldest enterprises in the Russian pulp and paper industry. In 1845 the Tsarskoslavianskaya paper mill was founded on the bank of the Azora River by Englishmen Ivan Rogers and Daniel Reiner. In 1885 the factory was purchased by a British citizen of Tsarskoselsk merchant Yegor Francevich Reiner. The new owner set a goal to expand the factory, betting on the rapidly developing sugar industry in those years. He wished to become the largest supplier of sugar paper. Reiner installed more powerful equipment and the factory produced 60,000 poods of wrapping and sugar paper. In 1901 the factory was taken over by the partnership Krasnoselskia paper factory of K.P. Pechatkin's heirs, and after some changes in the equipment the enterprise began to produce thin expensive types of paper. The heirs of K.P. Pechatkin carried out a lot of work on the expansion and reconstruction of the factory in the period from 1912 to 1914. Two-story stone premises for mass departments were built, the boiler house was expanded, steam power equipment was renewed, a paper-making machine of Voith company was installed and two existing ones were modernized, as well as a narrow-gauge railway line was built from the Entropshino station to the factory yard. After the revolution in 1918 the factory was nationalized and in 1919 it was renamed a Kommunar. In the years of the first five-year plan the expansion of production began, and by the beginning of the Great Patriotic War on 4 paper-making machines 6,000 tons of different types of paper and 715,000 rolls of tracing paper were produced. Since 1963 the factory was switched to a continuous mode of paper pulp production, specializing in the production of technical papers. It was on the backing paper made at the factory at Kommunar that the reverse side of the moon was photographed for the first time. Until the mid-1970s, the factory was the only town-forming enterprise in the settlement of Kommunar, and it created almost the entire infrastructure of the settlement. Today JSC paper factory at Kommunar is a well-known in Russia and abroad manufacturer of packaging and technical papers and cardboard with density from 25 to 175 g/m2, widely used in confectionery, medical, food, metalworking, printing and other industries. The company pays special attention to improving the quality of its products. Since November 2002 the quality management system in accordance with the international requirements of ISO 9001:2015 has been successfully functioning, and the proximity of the enterprise to St. Petersburg and the main transport flows distinguishes BF Kommunar from other manufacturers of similar products. Production capacity: 42,500 tons. Cardboard and corrugated paper: 47,000 tons. Kraft paper m.A. 770 tons. White papers. Main sales markets: Russia, Europe, CIS countries, Asia, South American countries, Africa.